Morning. Excellent for telling me. Gupta ji, first time giving the errata proliferations for Shivangi Gupta in this area. He told me first time about forever. I'm not particularly discussing about forever, but Gupta ji is taking the best place for today in the celebration of birthday. Now it's my best opportunity that I could just speak some things on the basis of what is forever. Because the first thinking came in my memory on the basis of forever by Gupta ji. He told me, he said there's one forever product which is the best result for your health. I thought in my memory, I listened for first time, what is forever? And which kinds of products is involved in this forever? I asked with Gupta ji. Gupta ji told me, these are like aloe vera, toothpaste. Like this type of products, she told me. And she also challenged, sir, any products just you can compare with this product. This product is 100% pure with the naturality and best nutrition on the basis of world-based product. You can use. It's my challenge that there's no any complaint in this product. Means I thought in my memory like this type of ladies in this area giving the best challenge on the basis of any product means it's very best confidence. I thought, wow, like this type of lady can progress in her life with the minimum time. There's no very excitement. She is just becoming a manager. Manager is very normal for her because she has the encouragement, she has the best desire, she has the curiosity. When you have the curiosity and I have the curiosity, now I can do anything. Everybody can do anything. But when you have the best interest in your department, in which department you are just taking interest? When you are interested, when you have the positive energy, when you are listening the language like Bipin sir and Binay sir and Gupta ji and every candidates who are just involving in forever, when you are just following to each other in your life, now just you can progress. There is no anything which is impossible for you. Everything is possible. But think positive, result is positive. Think negative, result is positive. Result is negative. Means when you are thinking negative, I am thinking negative in my forever. Now what can I do? What can I progress in my life? No, there's no possibility for progressing. But when you are thinking positive, I have to do this business. This is very best business. There's no any extra money which I have to just spend. Very normal money. I am using 30 rupees and getting 120 rupees. Like this type of business, it's very simple business. A poor family member can do it. I am thinking in my memory in this time. Because near about 1.5 month is completed on the basis of listening first time by Gupta's mouth about forever. 3 days also spent Bipin sir. She spent me time on the basis of the best introduction of forever. And 2 days I also contacted face to face with Binay sir. Near about, you can say 3 hours continue with the best discipline and best encouragement. Either you can say there's problem in his mouth for speaking, but he told me the best energy on the basis of forever. Means like this type of person when there's in team, there's no any interfere, there's no any foundation for progressing. Like this type of person when present, like Binay sir is present in your team, it's a plus point. Either you can say your plus point or my plus point. Like Bipin sir, like Binay sir, it's the part of my team. It's the best fundamental of my team, you can say. When like this type of energy is present in my team, now you can progress in the minimum time, very few time, very little time just you can progress. But there's also one condition. Do anything honestly. Do anything smoothly, without any selfishness, without any selfish emotion. When you are doing anything without selfishness, without any kinds of greediness, when you are doing it, means your work is become successful in your time, in the minimum time. But in any field, either you can say in government job for preparing, or this forever, or any kinds of field, when you are thinking only greediness for getting money, you cannot do anything in your life in the minimum time. You can get money, but near about 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 1 year maximum. After just you are lowered by the candidate, by the team. Everyone has to think positive, do positive, and give the result best. And when you have any doubt, just have to consult by the senior approach, so that just you can get the best result. And it's very happiness matter. It's best congratulation thinking. Today's I have the best opportunity to just discuss about forever at the day of the birthday of Shivangi Gupta. Now there's best clapping for Gupta ji today at this place.
Thank you.
And I'm so happy today. Vinay sir give me opportunity today. Vinay sir told me just now, sir, you have to speak something on the basis of Gupta's birthday. I thought my memory, wow, it's my opportunity. I am not to lost it. I am not to think there's only minimum candidate like 10 candidate. No, 10 candidate is very large candidate because many men, many minds, many memory. I am speaking and there's many candidates who thinking I can also speak English like sir. When sir is speaking, I can also speak. You can do anything in the world. Human can do anything, but when you have the thinking of that criteria, because Vinay sir told me today, sir, what's your thinking? That's main depend. Main dependency is compulsory. Suppose there's one candidate who is earning only 10,000, and Vinay sir is earning 3 lakhs, but he is very normal and he has the best proud. Means what can you say? What is the difference between both 10,000 and 3 lakhs? What is the differences? Just you can say he has the satisfaction like 10,000 satisfaction. He has no desire for getting extra. But Vinay sir has the best interest for getting the best development in his life, for his family, for the security. So he is working and developing day by day. When anybody is giving the best results in his life, now the scope of the respecting is increased day by day. Now in a simple language I can say, I am not taking much time. Only 2 minutes maximum. When you are just curiosity, now I can speak. Means you have desire, na? There's no any boring to you, na? No boring, na? Yes. Only 2 minutes. It's my request to all of you. Vinay sir, only 2 minutes more. Means by heartly desire I can speak. Like this type of life never can be returned. This life in which I am just speaking and you listening, so interesting emotion. This time never can be returned. Now, every moment you have to think for the progress. Any celebration, you have to just think for the progress. Not for only enjoy, not for only talking. Any moment, any situation, any celebration gives you the opportunity for the progress of your personal life. Just you have to think, what is the main point for this birthday of Shivangi? What is the main point? I am just collecting here. What is the purpose? Why we are collecting here for birthday? Means there's forever related to team who are just collecting for the progress of it. Like this type of thinking is compulsory. Like this type of thinking is compulsory. Not only thinking just I have to eat cake and just clinging the cake like mouth and using the water like in water. No, it's not the main conclusion of our birthday. Main conclusion is why you are celebrating with the contacting of your team. Like that type of criteria, just you can progress. And I'm so happy today on the basis of the memories like Vinay sir and Bipin sir and you all are. Means I'm just clapping to all of you. You are the family members for me. And I want to know what's your name? Mamta. Mamta ji also told me, sir, without any hesitation, without any doubt, you have to come in the forever. What are you thinking, sir? When I'm ladies, I am doing this work, why you are thinking negative? Mamta ji told me. Means like this type of confidence is the best confidence for the ladies. Means think positive, result is positive. I cannot speak so much. Thank you. Jai Hind.